The Russian Aerospace Forces have received a fresh batch of Su-34 frontline fighter bombers from the United Aircraft Corporation, a division of the state tech behemoth Rostec, a statement from the UAC press office on June 1 revealed. These splendid aircraft have been manufactured at the Chkalov Novosibirsk Aviation Plant. The planes have undergone ground and flight tests and have been delivered to the Defense Ministry of Russia, the press office said in a statement, as reported by TASS. The statement further noted that the Su-34 Fullback features extended combat capabilities, enabling it to employ advanced air-launched munitions, expand the conditions and accuracy of bombing runs, and increase the range of striking ground and naval targets. The last batch of Su-34 fighter bombers was delivered to Russia in November 2022. Russia has extensively deployed this aircraft in the ongoing war. The statement announcing the recent delivery emphasized, Su-34 frontline bombers are a major part of the Russian frontline aviation strike power. The Su-34 has been used to launch stand-off attacks on Ukraine without entering its saturated airspace. Moreover, the development comes days after the aircraft displayed spectacular terrain-hugging bombing. Guy Plopsky, a defense analyst, recently pointed out, the Su-34 aircraft have been employing parachute-retarded bombs to overcome the challenge of conducting strikes from medium and high altitudes. By all measures, the Su-34 Fullback fighter bomber is an irreplaceable asset for the Russian Aerospace Forces, which the aircraft has proven with its performance in the ongoing war against Ukraine. Along with the Su-35, the Su-34 is the most extensively deployed warplane along the front line. However, unlike the Su-35 fighter jet, the Su-34 is the odd duck for a simple reason. It is both a fighter jet and a bomber aircraft. The Su-34 could switch from air to ground attacks to higher altitude precision bombing campaigns, lowering the overall number of airframes required for a given attack mission. This type of dual-role capability undoubtedly expands operational options. This expands and streamlines the mission area, especially in scenarios where Russia may have an advantage in air dominance, and fewer Su-27s are required. A Su-34 could carry out both air combat and ground assault missions in this kind of scenario, while introducing glide and precision bombing capabilities to a greater extent. The B-1B bomber does not operate with fighter jet-like capabilities, and B-52 are solely bombing platforms, which is interesting, because the US does not appear to have an equivalent in certain areas. US fighter jets of the 4th and 5th generations, including the F-35 and the F-15, can also carry out effective bombing missions with precision weapons, albeit to a lesser level.